Hello, students. We are seeing a true story of sea turtles 2.2. In a previous video, we discussed that Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra, when they were doing some kind of survey on sea coast, one of the sea coast in Konkan, they found some unusual occurrence on the sea coast. What was that unusual occurrence? It was the shallow pits one and eggshells, white eggshells lying around the shallow pits. Second, these two things surprised them, or surprised them, and they did not understand why and what is this exactly and why it is like this. And then they inquired the villagers, and villagers informed them it is because of the beach was sealed by the police, because some people were doing a silver smuggling, smuggling of silver bricks there, and as a result for 1 month around none of the villagers were able to go on the beach, and as a result all this happens. Then they further inquired, and they came to know, and what they came to know was very shocking, very surprising. What is that? Let us see. Now what happens actually, let me tell you. uh, Almost all over in the world, not only in India, in Maharashtra, all over in the world, most of the beaches where sea turtles lay their eggs. Now, what is the fact? Sea turtles lay their eggs on beach, not in water. Okay, sea turtles, though they live in water, but they do not lay their eggs in water. They lay their eggs in on a beach. Now, what happened actually? The sea turtles come out of the water, they come on the beach, they find a safer place, they make the nest. They make the nest. Actually, what they generally make, they make a pit, gadda. They make a pit by digging, we can say, the sand, okay, around half a meter, and after digging that, they went inside. The female turtles, we can say, they went inside the pit, they lay their eggs, and again they went back to the water. Okay, sorry, they goes back to the water, and after some days, maybe 10-15 days, whatever time it takes, the eggs automatically hatch out, and the turtles came out of that, and they went inside the water, sea turtles. But what exactly happens here? The villagers, now we know people generally like to eat eggs, different eggs, like for example we eat eggs of hen. Some people are there who eat eggs of pigeons. Different are there. So in the same way, fish, some people eat eggs of fish also. In the same way, the villagers, those who live on beaches, or those who those villages are there on the beaches, what they generally do, every morning. Now what is the procedure actually, we'll come to know here in the lesson when we will go. At night, the sea turtle comes, lay the eggs, lay the eggs, and or dig the pits, lay the eggs, and till morning it goes in the water again. Understood? Now what some villagers generally do, so these villagers goes early morning on the beaches, and they find where the eggs are laid, and they take out all the eggs. Later they eat it, they sell it, they kill it. No, they do whatever they do, we're going to see in the lesson. But this kind of activity is going on all the beaches, almost all the beaches where sea turtles lay their eggs. So this was happening in one of the beach in Maharashtra, in Konkan. And if I will tell you everything here, then there will be no suspense and no interest in the lesson. So I'm not going to tell you all these things. Let us see what is given here. Sea turtles nest. Okay, turtle nest along the entire coastline of our state. Now we know there is a 720 kilometers of coastline in Maharashtra. Do you know that? Yes, I hope all of you know that Maharashtra has 720 kilometers of coastline. So turtle actually nest means they make their pits, okay, shallow pits where they can lay eggs. So they make nest along the entire coastline of state. Means in Maharashtra around 720 kilometer of coastline is there, and on all the areas sea turtles lay their eggs. There are few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours of the morning. Throughout the year, when the female turtle come on the shore to nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. Now what happens? See, almost villages in every village on the coastline of Maharashtra. Let us talk about Maharashtra now. So almost all the villages on the coastline of Maharashtra, what they generally do, they do beach combing in the morning. Beach combing means not combing. Actually, if you will see the meaning, it is cleaning. Okay, combing we can consider as cleaning, but here the meaning is cleaning means what they used to do. They used to whatever eggs were laying by the sea turtles on the seashore or on the beach, so they used to clean. That means they used to take out all the legs. They used to take all the legs. That is he used the word combing. So in every village there are villages who does some kind of beach combing in the early mornings. Means what they generally do, they goes to the beach and they find out the eggs and they take out all the eggs from the shallow pits. Okay, what they generally do. So and this activity is going on throughout the year. This activity goes on throughout the year. When the female turtles comes on the shore, means when the female, as I told you, female turtle comes out of the water in the night and to nest, they went to the nest or they went to the pits which were made, and there they lay their eggs. She leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. Now what, just try to understand this, because now we don't have board, but I would like to explain this. See, for example, when the sea turtle come out of the water from the sea, when it reaches to the beach, when it walks, right, when it walks on the beach, now what happened, there are marks of the legs of sea turtle, पैरों के निशान. Sea turtle, पैरों के निशान बन जाते. जब ऐसे for example, if a sea turtle will walk like this, right, so what will happen, marks will be there. This is he is calling that as a trail. Now what happened, female turtles come on the shore to nest and lay eggs. She leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels. So as if we run any of the vehicle on the sand, then what happened, we find the track or the marks of the wheel, right? In the same way, when the sea turtle comes on the shore, it makes, when it walks, it makes the marks of their legs on the sand. The egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep. Now how this, because when we will go on the beach, we will find that many pits are there. Many pits are gaddas. Okay, many pits are there on the beach. Now how these people, the villagers, come to know that in which pit, means hundreds of pits are there. Out of that hundreds of pits, in which pit there are eggs. How they come to know? So they generally find the trail or the mark made by the turtle, and they follow that trail, and exactly they goes to that particular pit, and the pit is around how much, half a meter deep. So pit is around half a meter deep. So they went up to that, and then they dig the pit, and they dig up the nest and steal all 100 to 150 eggs, and they dig the pit. They broke that nest, actually their nest. Sorry, they break their nest and they take out all the eggs which are laid by the sea turtles. And how many eggs are there? That are around 100 to 150 eggs. okay, that are laid inside. In that way they steal the eggs. And now what they do with this eggs, that is very shocking. And it is a Hinoi's activity, almost we can say, or Hinoi's activity, which we are going to see in the next video. Okay, so till then, goodbye.